Recording.
So, my name is Sam, this is my 911 and I wanted to build an RWB. So, time to move on to the engine bay. I've got a lot of work to do on the top and the bottom gaskets, and on the back actually, and the front, and this metal stuff is just in the way, so I'm going to remove all of the metal shrouding. Not only can I then clean it and do it up, but then I'll have like a lot more space to work basically. So I want to make my life a bit more easier, so let's crack on. So we got the tin off the 964. It's very, very rusty and looks rubbish. So I'm gonna clean it all up, probably spray paint it black, and then it'll look much neater and much more of a clean look. So watch how I do this. Right, so that's the first piece cleaned up. We're now going to give it a couple of coats of black and white spray, and it's going to look great. So I know I was taking the engine tin off to replace the valve covers, but I thought whilst they're off, I'll give them like a really good thorough clean. Instead of replacing them, that way I get to keep the originality of the car, and I get to save some money as well. So that's it really.